welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since the last time I've uploaded. I'm gonna do a little makeup video, I guess. I don't know what I would really call it. Quit this way, let's go. So for my eyebrows, I'm gonna use this e.l.f. pomade in brown. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera and comb my eyebrows done.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today,
Why is it still recording? Okay, now that I did my eyebrows, y'all, what the fuck is up with this lighting? Putting camel concealer, and then I'm gonna just. Y'all see this? I probably look crazy right now because I'm outside doing this. Well, I'm gonna just blend this shit out. I'm gonna use the Sculpt and Glow contouring palettes. Fuck. Oh fuck, yeah, I put way too much. Lately, I've been using lipstick as my blush simply because what'd you do to my lipstick?
that was fair.
Y'all can't even see that. But I'm gonna just dot this on here. And I know it looks crazy, but girl, trust me, okay? Just trust me on it. But I'm gonna keep trying to blend this shit out. I think I kind of did put a little too much. Oh my god, I got that in my hair. This is my beauty blender that still has like the concealer on it and kind of go over it to soften the color. I'm gonna go in with the powder blush. Just kind of
Powder.
set it. I'll put some on my chin too. And I'll put it on my temples too, because I feel like it looks weird if the rest of my face has fucking rosy ass shit on it and my forehead doesn't. You know? Oh, now I'll move on to my eyeshadow. I'm gonna use my Profusion Ultra Wonder with this. Alright, and I'll put that in my crease. And I'm gonna use this brown. I was hoping I could catch a good fucking sunny day, but this weather is so bipolar. Ew, y'all, I don't like this look. I don't like it. I need to blend this shit. Okay, and I'm gonna cut the crease with the same concealer. Yeah, I was planning to do a much more natural look. Well, I don't know why I'm doing a cut crease now.
You know your frenzy today?
We're friends?
Yeah.
Really?
Yep.
You ugly ass fat turkey neck bitch. What?
Happy Mother's Day.
What do you say?
Happy Mother's Day. You look contour? What's that?
It's to make you look skinny without doing the skinny. Okay, and then I'm gonna just use a really light color to set the concealer with it.
Do you know Anthony uses a bottle every day?
I'm gonna just quickly do an eyeliner. Just Say Glow from Victoria's Secret. I kind of just use this as a base for my highlighter to stick on. Wow, she old now. You still old. Oh my gosh, guys, we play Roblox together. Hashtag goals. Like, y'all can do it. You're being abusive in the bag, though.
I don't know.
Hey, one of my other dance members. This is my other niece. What's your name?
Shay.
Finally! Lip combo that I've been freaking loving is these two. This is the Maybelline Super Stay in color 270 Cocoa. And then this is by Beauty Glaze Matte liquid lipstick by Dose K. Okay? So I use a Super Stay one around my lips. Like this. You guys are in the way. It looks
so
weird.
funny.
But and then I use the Beauty Glaze one. And the rest of my lips.
Yeah, somebody's looking at you because you're tall.
Can y'all see that little in the corner movement? To the finish line or whatever.
Do you know we like Anthony?
You like me?
Yes.
Alright everyone, thank you for watching my video and enjoying the mess. The chaotic mess that these two were behind. Yay, looks, but I don't know what happened. We just kind of rolled into this, but this honestly happens every single time I do my makeup. I'm like, I'm gonna just do like, you know, a little natural look, you know, filling my eyebrows, a little concealer and blush, but then boom, a full face just happens. Yeah, but I guess this is it, y'all. This is it. Thank you for watching my cringy ass video or whatever. Oh, sorry. Say bye. Bye. I don't care about your stupid channel. Cause you never let me be in it. You're in it right now, bruh. Yeah. Y'all, she fake. She just don't want to support me. But you know what they say? Haters gonna hate. Period. Bye now.